Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Here's a quick video to show you my YouTube uploading workflow. So I'll do a few sections. I may combine all of these into one video, but this one's mainly once the video has been edited and made on my PC and ready to be uploaded. There's 5 tips that I can give you to make sure you're making the best of your YouTube uploads. So if I got straight into it, so here's my channel right now, and when I'm uploading a video, I'll obviously click on the little camera and upload video, and then select the video I want to upload, which in this case is the alternatives to YouTube and backing up your videos. And then once that's uploading, it lets you fill out this information, and it's important to fill this out. So firstly, put a decent title that describes what your video is, and make sure that that is covered in your video. So don't obviously make clickbait ones that make people want to click. Secondly, this bit here is important to use. So describe in a couple of sentences what your video is about, so people have an idea in the description box. There are ways to auto-populate additional information. So below that line there, it gets auto-populated with data, and that's for every video. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so to set the defaults on your video uploads, you basically come to your Creator Studio, left hand side, click on the channel little drop down there, and within that there will be a branding and uploading defaults. On this screen I would say do both. So branding is a little logo of yourself on your entire video, on every single video, that lets people on the bottom left hand see your logo and little subscribe button when you hover over it. And at the same time, go to upload defaults, and here you can see these are the basic settings. So in description, this appears on every single one of my videos. It's just basically my Twitter, Instagram, a quick answer because a lot of people ask about kit, and this gives you the kind of overview of my kit that I use: lenses, light stands, and all the little information, some standard tags, and then that will auto populate every single video that you upload. Okay, so that's that covered. And apart from that, you want to put tags in here. So when your video is uploaded, put relative tags to that video in this box here. So for example, here I've got a few you can see. You don't have to go mad, but a few are helpful. And then after that, I do this, which is playlists. And that is an important part of YouTube. If you can make a playlist of all similar content, it keeps people entertained for a bit longer because similar videos are put together. So as I upload it, I automatically tick the box that relates to my video, so this will automatically go into that. And also scheduling, so sometimes you can just put the video and post it live, or you can select from the box scheduled and put a date and time in here. I update that time to a better time because a lot of my stuff I like to go out on Friday at 6 p.m. So if I do 6, that's another one there. And then the last thing is a video thumbnail. Make sure you make a custom thumbnail and upload it. So here that you can see is a custom thumbnail. So those are a few quick tips that I suggest everybody follows for uploading videos. Improves your chance of your video being found and covers the basics.